Bye bye guys, till next time, and please guys be sure to subscribe for a lot more content. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's the Devil family and I'm back again with another video. Guys, don't mind my hair. I know, don't mind it. Yeah, I just undid my hair. I want to do it. So today I want to teach you how to make broiler chicken. Here's my chicken. Nishai boil. Okay, me one thing, I boil my chicken. Some people don't, but I do. Nishai boil. This is the chicken. Yeah, and here's my broth. Here's my broth. Maji mebaki after ku boil. Yeah, so today we are having chicken, pasta, and some veggies. My veggies are here. I've already boiled them. And here's my pasta. My pasta is here, or macaroni is here. Yeah, here is where I want to fry the chicken. Yeah, here is where I want to fry the chicken. Here's my pasta. So I'll be mixing my veggies with this pasta. Once it's ready, I'll just show you guys. But the video specifically, it's for the chicken. So we are concentrating on this pot over here. Yeah. So guys, let me show you the ingredients I'll use. So as you can see, upon nimeka oil, onions, chicken nisha boil. Now I want to show you the ingredients I'll use. Is it called ingredients? Yeah. The chicken masala. Yeah, I'll be using the chicken masala. No. This is chili for done. Here's my paprika. I'll be using it. And mixed spice. Where is it? Mixed spice. And one thing with me, I like spices from Jumbo. Yeah, I don't know why. Like when it comes to my githeri masala, it's from Jumbo. For those of you who have been asking what I put in my beans, I buy githeri masala from Jumbo. Here's Jumbo. Yeah. My paprika also, it's from Jumbo. But my chicken masala is from Tropical Heat. Hey, Tropical Heat. Yeah, so guys, this is what I'll be using. And salt. And some Royco cube for chicken. I'll just be using one since I'm putting chicken masala, so I'll be using one. Yes, guys. Now, what I do, I mix them in this bowl with the tomato paste. I don't use tomatoes. So this is the tomato paste I'll be using from Peptang. Yeah. I mix them, and guys, my hands are clean. I mix them in this bowl with all the other ingredients so that when the onions are ready, I just put them inside. Here. So that's paprika. Oh, sorry. That's the Royco cube, chicken flavor. Here is our chicken masala. This is the main ingredient, so I'll put a lot. Yeah, just like that. Then just a little bit of mixed spice. I don't want it to be too spicy because baby is also eating. Yeah, that's enough. And salt, so that when I just put it there, the next step will be adding the broth, then the chicken. Yeah, that's enough salt because of baby too. So I don't put a lot of salt in my food because baby also eats the same food we are eating. Then you add some water so that you can mix it. You can use water or the broth, but I'm preserving the broth for soup, so I'll use water. Where this spoon is boring. Oh, sorry. mix until they form a perfect solution, so that you just add it huko and you're done with your spices. For the veggies and pasta, guys, I won't show you the recipe. You'll just see it kwa plate when it's already ready. We're already ready. Yeah, so guys, here's our mix. It's already ready. Now you just add it to your onions. As Africans, you scoop everything from the plate. So guys, if you've been watching my cooking vlogs, you know I don't use tomatoes. Like I don't at all. I just use tomato paste and that's it. Yeah, so guys, you leave it for some time. You give them time to blend, so that you can, for me, I add the broth first, then the chicken. Since it's broiler, guys, since this is broiler, I won't add it immediately pale. I'll add the broth first so that it can be watery, then I'll add this later. Because if I add this first, I'll need to, what's this called? Zuganya. In Luya we call it zuganya. Mix. I don't know. Yeah, mix. Is it perfect? Yeah, if I put chicken first, I'll need to mix them. Now, I don't want to mix because this is broiler. Itavunjika hapo ndani, and I don't want that. I want them to be as they are. So I'll add the broth first, then I'll just put chicken and then cover. You just see. Yeah. So now, guys, we add the broth. We add the broth. Mama. Yeah, this is ready. Now here is our broth, and it has a lot of oil. Okay. Then we add our chicken. Yeah, our pasta is almost ready, guys. Now in goes the chicken. We don't want it to kuruka. So guys, I know by now you understand what I was meaning. Since it's broiler, I don't want to mix them. Now I leave it to boil, to cook, ndo ziji mix vizuri zote. Now you know why I had a lot of broth. So if you don't have broth, you can use water. Just have tomato paste for it to make your soup thick. Yeah, for this case I had broth. That's why I used it. I don't want to mix them. They'll break, and I don't want them to break. Yeah. So guys, that's it. See you when our food is ready. So guys, our food is ready. Here's Dan's food. As you can see, here's the chicken. Here's the chicken. Then here's the pasta with the veggies. This is for Dan. This is mine. And this is for baby chicken, pasta and veggies. Yeah, so that's what we're having today. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Goodbye.